What's up, guys?
Hi! Remember us?
It's been a while. We are officially back to vlogging.
We're back!
One of our favorite restaurants to go to at one of the local lakes, that it was our favorite and it kind of started going downhill a little bit, has been sold. So the plan today is we're going to go up there and check it out and see, is it better? Is it worse?
Maybe get some pizza.
Maybe some dark beer.
Oh, ready?
Yep. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
So we'll see you guys there.
We're at the Nautical Rose. It used to be called the Lakeshore Marina. So we're gonna order pizza and get some beer and some spinach and artichoke dip because that's what we get. Because carbs.
Surprisingly, they do have some dark beer. They have a nut brown ale, which if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you know that we like porters and stouts, but a good second is a brown ale. So it's, was it a local beer? I don't know. She didn't say if it was a local beer or not, but stay tuned. What are you eating?
Pizza.
We got the chicken bacon ranch on artisan bread.
What do you think?
It's damn good. Oh.
Yeah, get in there. I don't know, guys. Usually we can finish one of these off. Not today. So we're at Nautical Rose again. It's up at Johnson Lake. It's pretty biker friendly. The owner, we talked to him for a little bit. He's also a biker, so come on up if you're on a motorcycle.
I used to come up here when I was a kid. My grandma had a cabin at this lake. So every time I come up here, it's just kind of like reliving my childhood. And we used to walk up to this marina as kids and get Laffy Taffy or whatever they had. But here's a little B-roll of the actual lake.